What's up, everybody? All right, we have ourselves a rack of ribs here. We got some baby backs, all natural. We're gonna open this bad boy up and drop everything along the way. Come on. Let's go. There we go. We're going to pull these out. Just going to wash my hands real quick. All right, so we have ourselves this nice baby back rack of ribs here. I'm just gonna remove any of this excess. There is no membrane on this, which is great. You don't have to remove it, but if we did have a membrane, I would highly recommend that you did remove it. So what we're gonna do with this, we're just gonna pat it dry with a paper towel, flip it over, do the same thing. Cool. Now we're going to grab ourselves some mustard. We're going to throw that on as a binder, and we're going to hit it with some, I believe, island dust. Actually, you know what? No, we're going to hit it with some tiki dust or whatever. I'll show you the product. It's awesome. All right, so it's Chef Jay's Tiki. Big fan. Used this before, and I just absolutely love it. All right. This is a new one that I just got. Cool. So we're gonna hit it with that mustard binder. Right. We want it rubbed on the sides, on the ends. We'll flip it over after we hit it with that. Spread it out real nice. Cool. Flip it over and do it again on this side. All right. Just sprinkle it right on top. And now we're gonna let this set for, I'd say about 40, half an hour maybe, 25 minutes, half an hour. Yeah, let's go half an hour on this. We'll get the big green egg rolling, and then we will, we're gonna put this on, smoke it for a few hours, then we're gonna wrap it, and we're gonna finish smoking it wrapped. Super pumped. At Egg Fest, New England Egg Fest, picked up myself up a J.J. George torch, little campfire propane tank. First time using it. And we're gonna light this bad boy up. All right, we got it lit. First time using it. Definitely have a video on how to use these bad boys going forward. I lit it in 3 different places. 1, 2, 3. It's getting real warm. Works like a charm. All right. We got it up to about 275, just over that actually. I'm gonna let it come down a bit, but I want to throw the meat on. We're doing it meat side up. Then when we wrap, we're gonna throw meat side down. So the meat side up, as it smokes, it's gonna adhere to this. The fat's gonna kind of drip back into the meat, and then we're gonna finish it meat side down, wrapped up. Super pumped. All right, so the ribs are just about ready to be wrapped up. So we're throwing some butter down, a little brown sugar down with it, a little bit more. Then we're gonna throw a little bit of the Lane's kind of sweet sauce on top. Let me just open that. And then we'll bring it outside, put the ribs meat down, wrap it up nice, and throw it back on. All right, so this is the sauce that we're using. We're just gonna sprinkle some on. Not a lot. Beautiful. I love it. All right, let's take a look at what that meat looks like. Oh, baby. That is looking good. Look at the coloring on that. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. All right, let's wrap it and go. All right, we got these bad boys wrapped up real nice. Beautiful. We're gonna set the timer for another 2.5 hours or so. All right, at about the 2 hour and 20 minute mark, pulled these off, and these things are just looking awesome. Still have a little pull. Ooh, hot. But nice give to them. Super pumped. Now, for me, I'm gonna make a McRib sandwich, and for my family, well, they're just gonna enjoy some ribs. Win, win, win. Win, win. Win, win. That's right. Lots of wins. Super easy recipe. Follow along, crush it at home. Let me know how you did. All right, so we're gonna start assembling our sandwich. We've got some fresh Tuscan loaf here. Buttered it, flipped it over, added some cheese, some barbecue sauce, pickles, onions, and now we're gonna add the ribs. It's gonna be a killer McRib sandwich. All right, assembled the sandwich, cut it, and look at that. That is gorgeous.